Maths lesson, Monday the 18th of January. First of all, let's start by saying our 4 times table. Pause the video here while you practice. Now let's write maths, the date and the learning objective in your books or on some paper. Please write it neatly. Pause the video here. So let's start off with a thinking question. We can see in the classroom on the board there are 4 questions and Max is saying that the answer is 32. But which calculation was Max trying to work out? And is he correct? Pause the video here while you have a think and then we'll look at how to work out the answer. So here is the answer. Max has 3 rows of 12. He's working out the calculation 12 times 3, and he does that by breaking or partitioning the number 12 into tens and ones. We have 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 10 is 30. 30 add 6 equals 36. So 12 times 3 is 36. However, Max is not correct because he should have 36 and not 32. Another thinking question. We still see the same calculations on the board, but this time, which multiplication is Jamila working out? And what is the answer to this calculation? Look carefully at her board. Look at the rods and look at the ones. Pause the video here and then we'll look through the answer. So Jamila is trying to work out 3 times 24. So she has partitioned her rods into tens and her ones, the cubes, and she has 2 tens and 4 ones, but she has this 3 times. So first she multiplies the ones, that's 3 times 4, which equals 12, and then she multiplies the tens, which is 3 times 20, equaling 60. She has to exchange, when she's adding 60 and 12, exchange 10 ones for 1 10. And so the answer is 60 add 12 is 72. So 3 times 24 equals 72. Now this one is a question to do in your books. Pause the video while you try to work out the answer, and then we'll look on the next slide at how to work it out. So Max is working out 4 times 23. He partitions into ones and tens. Once he finds the answer, he adds them together. And so Max has added together the answers to his calculations. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 20 is 80, and 12 add 80 equals 92. So 4 times 23 is 92. Did you remember that when we get 10 ones, we have to exchange for 1 10 rod? So here's question 2 in our exercise books. Have a go at it, pause the video and then click and we'll talk through the answer. It says work out 17 times 2 and the image at the side shows 1 rod of 10 and 7 ones, but we have it 2 times. First of all, multiply the ones, then multiply the tens and add your answers together. So let's have a look at the answer. We can see first of all we're multiplying 2 by 7, which equals 14. We're going to exchange though 10 of those ones for a 10 rod. 2 times 10 is 20. So we've got 14 add 20 equaling 34. So 17 times 2 is 34. So now it's almost time for your independent task. Think about how we worked out the practice questions. Complete the slides in the video, pausing while you work out the answers. Show you working out for each question. You may need to use number lines or an image. Please check your answers before you submit your work at the end of the day. Ask an adult to take a clear photo and email it to me. Once I've received your work, I will mark it and send you some dojos. If you'd like to have a go at an extension activity, it is optional. Here we are. Pause the video and have a go. Work out the calculations on the left and match them to the answers on the right. Thank you.